Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Her Take collaboration with Crafty Cat Incorporated. Today we are making flowers from coffee filters. So what you see here is the floral arrangement that I have created. The things that I use to create that awesome floral arrangement are floral wire that I picked up from Walmart. I can't tell you the price, I don't remember, but you can get floral wire from just about any spot. 20 gauge is what I use, and it's 30 pieces. You can also use the floral wire from Dollar Tree, which is this right here, but I wanted something straight already. I didn't want to have to fight with the wire, so this is why I got this instead. I use these fresh cup coffee filters that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree. You can also pick up some from Walmart, but I already had some on hand. And I think the Walmart you get 200 to 300 for maybe $1.50. So no, I don't remember, but you get more for around the same price as the Dollar Tree would give you. You need this to cut your wire. If you're using wire, you don't have to use wire, you can use skewers. The information of the video that we use will be in the description box below. Also, please go over and check out Crafty Cat. I'm quite sure she's made some cute flowers. She's very into flowers and beautiful colors, so that is cool. I just want to quickly go over some of the things, and then I'll show you the flowers individually, and then we'll be done. I took some pink acrylic, and it was a little bit old, and that's okay, because you can always repurpose stuff that's old, right? And I put it in some water, and I just soaked these in. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because I'm getting more comfortable with changing the textures and colors of paper. Definitely don't drink coffee, so you know the coffee filter would not be for coffee drinking. See, these globs are where the paint, I didn't dilute the paint enough. You can make these flowers with whatever you want, any kind of paint color that you can use. People use watercolor, food color, and things like that. And I just wanted to try the acrylic paint, but I didn't want to paint the edges. I will share with you that I did use some distress ink, which I think turned out really great. So let me stop blabbering. This is the first one that I created. Also, you need some real floral tape. I use washi because I thought I could access my floral tape, but I think I packed it back up because I am going to be putting away some of my craft stuff. Things that I don't always use. I thought I would put it up, but I see I need the floral tape, so I have to go in the box and find it. What box, I don't know. And here I was thinking I was labeling things good. After I did that one, I created this one, which is the stained paper that I showed you. And I put a little bit of fabric softener in there. Shh, don't tell anyone. It smells super nice. It smells like a real flower. So I love it. And I love that it has these little splotches and things like that. It just, I don't know, I just like that. I like the imperfect perfections of my crafts, the things that I create, and I know that it's kind of flawed in some way. I like that because it makes you know that it was handmade, it's by human, not factory. But I wanted more color, right? I really wanted some more color. I wanted it to stand out, so I used this one. It's a pink one. I don't know the name of it. It's not the one I always use though. It's another one. I think I have purchased a different set or opened up a different set. And then I pulled out the red. I was like, oh, I got to try this red because I want a red flower. And have you seen flowers like this? Like pops of color and then no color? I love it. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. And I did that one. I went a little bit crazy. I just grabbed a handful of the coffee filters, and that's what I did. I kind of went a little bit berserk with it. So that's why you see two of almost the same kind. But my most favorite one of all is this one. And this is orange, and I don't know what it's not the marmalade one. Maybe it is, I don't know. But what I did with this one is I went over the entire front of some of them and then some of them on the back. So when you get your coffee filters, if you dye them or if you ink stain them, one side will be fuller than the other. As you can see, this is the side that I went crazy on. So I was like, okay, when I put these up, like you can see it's white right here. When I put these up, I want them to go backwards, not the way that I colored. I want them to go backwards because you'll see more color like that. So I really enjoyed making these. These things are so fun to make. I did do an assembly line, meaning I counted out 10, cut them up. So I counted out 10, 10, 10, because that's what she says to use, 10. And then I cut the petals how I wanted the leaves to look. I did do some more, but I didn't like how I was cutting them up. And then I just assembly line them to make this beautiful little bouquet of flowers. I hope that you enjoyed this. Until Friday, yay! Happy crafting.